Welcome to a journey through the fascinating world of AI in gaming. An epic adventure that began with simple games like Pong, and has now evolved into a realm of endless possibilities with procedural and generative AI. From enhancing player experience to revolutionizing game development, AI has changed the face of gaming as we know it. But this is just the beginning. Fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the evolution of AI in gaming. The relationship between AI and gaming goes way back to the 1950s. It was a time when computers were as large as rooms, and the concept of artificial intelligence was in its infancy. The first game to use AI was IBM's Checkers playing program, which was more of a mathematical model than what we would consider AI today. Yet it laid the groundwork for what was to come. Fast forward to the 1970s, and we have Pong, the arcade classic. This rudimentary game of digital table tennis may seem simple by today's standards, but it was revolutionary for its time. The AI controlling the opponent paddle was designed to react to the player's moves, providing a level of interactivity that was unheard of at the time. As gaming technology advanced, so did AI. The 1990s saw the introduction of pathfinding algorithms, which allowed in-game characters to navigate complex environments. This was a game changer for genres like strategy and role-playing games, where character movement and positioning play critical roles. The early 21st century introduced decision trees, which allowed characters to make choices based on a hierarchy of conditions. This led to more realistic and unpredictable AI behavior. And then came neural networks, a type of AI that mimics the human brain. These have been used in games to create more sophisticated and adaptable AI opponents, leading to a more immersive and challenging gaming experience. From simple beginnings, AI in gaming has come a long way. AI today is an integral part of the gaming landscape. Its presence is felt in every pixel, every polygon, every pulse-racing moment of play. It's in the way your computer-controlled opponents challenge you, the way the game's environment reacts to your actions, and even in the way your in-game character navigates the virtual world. Artificial intelligence in gaming isn't a new concept, but it's one that has evolved substantially over the years. Today, it's hard to imagine a game without some form of AI, whether it's the simple pathfinding of a character in a platformer, or the complex decision-making processes of a strategy game's computer opponent. AI's current role in gaming goes beyond just making games more challenging or realistic. It's about enhancing player experiences. AI can create dynamic, immersive worlds that react and change based on player actions. It can generate new content and scenarios, keeping games fresh and engaging long after their release. Take, for example, procedural content generation. This technique uses AI to create game levels, environments, and even entire worlds on the fly. It's like having an infinite playground at your fingertips, one that's always changing and always surprising. AI can also be used to fine-tune a game's difficulty level, adapting to the player's skill level to provide a balanced and rewarding experience. It's all about creating a game that's as entertaining, as challenging, and as engaging as it can be. AI is more than just a tool, it's a game changer. Generative AI, as opposed to procedural generation, from data to create new content, making it more dynamic and adaptable. It's the difference between following a recipe and being a master chef who can whip up a gourmet meal with whatever's inside the fridge. The benefits are numerous. For instance, consider the tools Ghostwriter and ZooBuilder being developed at LaForge. Ghostwriter crafts narratives with engaging storylines and complex plot twists, while assisting animators in creating natural movement for animals breathing life into the virtual fauna. It can enhance user-generated content, fill the gaps left by creators, and make their worlds more immersive and interactive. Generative AI simplifies the development process by generating game elements like quests, dialogues, or character designs, freeing up human developers to focus more on the bigger picture. But does the rise of generative AI mean for human game developers? Does it render them obsolete? The answer is a resounding no. Generative AI is not here to replace humans but to augment creativity, similar to how motion capture emerged not as a replacement for but as a tool to enhance their work. It's not here to replace creativity but to enhance serving as a tool, in order to create more engaging and immersive gaming experiences.